The low cost of Tomtech's Quadra tower disguises its full functionality. The Quadra tower is a full-function microplate pipetter with 5-station flexibility. While normally supplied with a 96-well pipetter head, it is also available with a 384-well head. The pipetter heads may be air displacement or positive displacement depending upon your application. 2 of the 4 microplate stations can accommodate pipetting to and from deep well plates or reservoirs. All 4 stations can be used for conventional microplates. A tip wash station can accommodate ultrasonic tip washing to conserve on disposable tip costs. Repeated testing with a variety of measuring instruments has shown the carryover wells were equivalent to the blank test wells when using ultrasonic tip washing. If there was carryover, it was below the detection level of the measuring instrument. 2 of the tests were conducted with mass specs as the measuring instrument. Operation of the Quadra tower runs from the very simple to complex automated protocols. For simple manual operation, there are single button controls: load tips, shuck tips, wash tips, aspirate, or dispense. For the aspirate and dispense functions, the operator simply sets volume and plate heights. In the automated mode, complex multiple-step protocols may be preset. This means they will run exactly the same every time, regardless of who pressed the run button. These programs may be created directly from the front panel of the Quadra tower. As an alternative, the programs may be created and stored on an external computer and downloaded as desired. The most common pipetter head supplied with the Quadra tower is Tomtech's 96-well head with 450 microliter disposable or washable tips. In addition to its large tip volume, another feature is the ability of the tip to reach the bottom of a deep well microplate. Many other tips will not. The long, narrow portion of the tip provides an additional function of pipeline pipetting. This allows the tips to aspirate multiple volumes using an air gap in between reagents for separation. In this example, a large volume, 100 microliters, of the protocol diluent is aspirated first. A 15 microliter air gap is aspirated for separation. Then 40 microliters of another reagent is aspirated. Another 15 microliter air gap, and finally 15 microliters of the compound to be tested. When dispensed, the higher volume of the protocol diluent is used to wash out the smaller volumes of the more sensitive reagents, improving the overall accuracy. The programmability of the Quadra tower can provide very effective mixing. The aspiration is made from the bottom of the well and dispensed at the top to turn the reagents over within the well. Where possible, the use of air bubbling for mixing can be more effective than titration, particularly with the 450 microliter tip capacity of the Quadra. Tip washing is accomplished in a similar manner. Aspiration is done at the bottom of the wash station where fresh water enters. The dispense is made at the top, so the expelled liquid overflows the weir. Using ultrasonics in the tip wash station adds the ultimate in tip reusage. The detailed programmability of the Quadra tower can add precision to any protocol. Small changes such as pre-wetting before aspirating small volumes, touching off clinging drops, or judicious use of blowout air can add reliability to protocols that are frequently used. These small changes can be made to optimize a protocol and then be faithfully reproduced each time the protocol is used. The compact size of the Quadra tower enables its use within a hood enclosure. As stated initially, the low cost of Tomtech's Quadra tower disguises its true and total value. Thank you for your time and interest in our products.